In this video, we're going to show you how to do an oil change on this Ford Explorer. Let's get into it. Now we're going to remove the drain plug. Use a 15mm wrench. Make sure you have a drain bucket underneath. And take the plug out and let it drain. Now with the drain plug, you want to take the seal off. Just use a pick or a screwdriver. And you want to get a new seal. Now take a new seal and put it on the drain plug. That's all the way around. Now we can reinstall the drain plug. And you want to torque that to 20 foot-pounds. Just take a rag and wipe away any of the excess oil. Now you want to move the drain bucket underneath the oil filter, and you can use an oil filter strap wrench, or if you have an oil filter claw, take that off, or even a cup. Loosen it up and take it off by hand. I'm just going to let that drain a little bit. Just wipe that off a little bit and take this off the rest of the way. Let it drain out. And you want to take a rag and just wipe down where the oil filter is going to mount to. Make sure the seal for the oil filter is not up there. You can check the old oil filter and just make sure the seal's still there. You don't want to double gasket it. So there's that. Take the new oil filter, take a little fresh oil on your finger and just wipe the seal. And that's good. That's going to help it so that next time when you go to replace it, the filter will actually come off. Get this threaded on. And then once it's snug, go another quarter turn. That's good. Now you want to take the oil cap off. On the oil cap should tell you what type of oil you can use. These may be all a little bit different. Then you want to take a funnel. And for this vehicle, this is the 3.5 liter. We're going to put 6 quarts in. And just take the funnel out, put the cap back on, and now I'm going to start the vehicle for 10 seconds. Now we shut it down, let it sit for about 2 minutes, grab the dipstick, and you want to wipe it off first. Reinstall the dipstick all the way down, wait about 3 seconds, pull it out, and take a look. You can see where the oil level is. You want it closer to the top part of these hash marks. So we're going to add that extra ½ quart and we should be all set. Pull the funnel out, put the cap back on. Pull it out again, and we're right there. That's exactly where we want to be. Good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.